Hey there, are you having problem uploading images or videos to Instagram? Well, if you're using PC, then I'm right. To be honest, there is no option to upload image or a video made for desktop user. Don't worry, if you're facing the problem, then you're at the right place. I don't know why Instagram have not yet implemented that. I hope they will do it soon. Anyways, without wasting any time, let's get started. And yeah, make sure that you have subscribed my channel and hit the notification bell icon for getting notified every time we upload a video. Welcome back after the intro. So today I'm going to show you the easiest and the simplest method or techniques to actually get access of the mobile version of the Instagram. So how can we do that? In order to do that, you need first of all a browser. Now what type of browser can you use? You can use obviously Firefox, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Opera or whatever you want, but it is suggested to use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. It doesn't matter which one you use. So open Google Chrome. Okay, so after opening Google Chrome, you have to just simply right click here and then just go to inspect. Okay, so if you don't know what inspect is, well, let me just show you by clicking here. So inspect is a pane or another tab which is actually built for the developers to actually live check that how things happen, how things will work in their mobile or in versions or in different things. I mean, to edit live, developers actually use them. Well, in case of, there is an amazing feature what is called virtual device toggler, and in using this tool you can actually toggle to devices. I mean, forcing the browser to add you as a mobile browser, not like a desktop browser. So we can just do this by clicking here. You can actually remember the shortcut, which is Ctrl Shift and A, and just as soon as you click here, then you can see this will be like mobile browser. Well, this might not be like that. Well, to make it like that, you have to just click here responsive. I mean, there will be something else, and then you have options to select any kind of devices you want. So, such as if you want to use this at iPhone X, then iPhone X has been set it perfectly. And now if I want to use Moto G4, then it will be like that. Well, currently I'm going to use responsive because in that case I can actually drag it and change the size as I want. So after doing that, how do you have to do? We have to do is just go to instagram.com. okay, so here you can see I have the access of mobile version of Instagram. Well, here you can see there is an upload option which is not available in the desktop version of Instagram. Let me show you that too. If I go to Instagram without that virtual device toggler, then it will be like this thing. Okay, this is the whole new interface of desktop, which we absolutely don't want. And here you can see there is no option to upload an image. This is the logo, this is the server, home tab, then direct messages, explore, notification or activity you can send, then your profile, nothing else. There is no more option to upload an image. So here you can see there you have the option to upload an image. Now obviously you're gonna test it, so let's just click on plus, and I guess I got some pictures here. Okay, and just make sure that it is been changed to all files, custom files to all files, and if it is all files from the beginning, then it's fine. I guess I'm gonna upload this thing. Here you can see that the edit upload icon have been appeared. Now you can actually select what type of, I mean, which part of image should be uploaded, or just upload the whole picture by clicking here. Then you can add filters. Let's not add any filter, and just click next. Then you will got the caption option. Now I'm gonna write a caption that this is a test purpose post. Okay, so now that's fine. Now we can actually tag people, then we can also add locations just like we do in mobile. Okay, let me show you that too. Let's tag myself, this is me. Okay, so here you can see it's been tagged perfectly, and as soon as I click share, then it will be added. Okay, let's also add a location. I'll add Bangladesh. And take a look, it's been added perfectly. It is located on Bangladesh, then tagged, it's been tagged perfectly. The caption is also ready. So let's just click on share in case of testing. Obviously I'm gonna delete this after uploading. So here you can see, as soon as I click on share, it's been uploaded here. Now you can actually thinking that it might be a temporary view, just like developers just changing only the temporary file, not changing the source file. Well, basically it's a dynamic file, so that's not going to happen like in other cases or HTML or something else. But for the confirmation, we're gonna check it on the original Instagram desktop version. And now here I'm gonna go to my profile, and here you can see it's been uploaded, and that's working perfectly well. Now we're going to delete the pictures, which actually we cannot do in the desktop. So how we can do this? Obviously I'm gonna go to my profile, then clicking on this picture, I'm gonna click on the three dot options, and then there you go, I got the delete option, and I'm gonna delete this thing. And now I'm going to refresh. I hope there will be an error. Okay, there is an error. Now let's go to my profile to confirm that, and boom, there you can see there is no image of that thing. So thanks for watching. That's all for today. Please make sure that you have subscribed my channel to get this type of videos regularly in the basis of programming and technology. Thanks for watching once again.